Hello everyone, myself Shraddha Pawar, Standard 2nd, Subject English Grammar. Today we will learn something interesting. Our today's topic name is adjective, which are also known as describing words. Before proceeding with our lesson, let us take a recap what we had learnt. So let us start. Who will tell me what is noun? Yes. Noun means naming words for a place, person, animal or a thing are called nouns. I will repeat again. Noun means naming words for a place, person, animal or a thing are called nouns. Now here, can you see a boy? Yes, good. Boy is a common noun. Now, if we give a name to him, suppose Rahul. So here, Rahul is a proper noun. Now can you see here some words I have written? So I will tell you. Yes, correct. Tall, short, brave, smart, handsome, happy, sad, and last one is intelligent. All these words tells us more about boy. In short, these words describes boy. So, all these words are adjectives. Now let us pick out some of the words from here and make sentences from it. Number 1. Rahul is a tall boy. Here tall is an adjective because it tells more about boy. Number 2. Rahul is brave boy. Here brave is an adjective because it tells more about boy. Number 3. Rahul is a smart boy. Here smart is an adjective because it tells more about boy. Understood? Okay. Next, here can you see a girl in middle side? Yes, girl is a common noun. Now, if we give a name to her, suppose Rani. So, here Rani is a proper noun. Now, can you see here some words I have written? So, I will explain you. Yes, beautiful, clever, thin, fat, happy, sad, cute, angry. These words tells us more about girl. In short, these words describes girls. So, all these words are adjectives. Yes or no? Yes. With the help of the sentences, I will explain you. Number 1. Rani is a beautiful girl. Here beautiful is an adjective because it tells more about girl. Number 2. Rani is fat girl. Here fat is an adjective because it tells more about girl. Number 3. Rani is a clever girl. Here clever is an adjective because it tells more about girl. Understood? Okay. Here can you see an elephant? Yes. An elephant is a common noun. Now, if we give a name to him, suppose Gajju. Here Gajju is a proper noun. Now can you see here some words I have written? So I will tell you. Huge, happy, grey, sad, heavy, fat, one, and angry. These words tells us more about elephant. In short, these words describes elephant. So, all these words are adjectives. Now let us pick out some of the words from here and make sentences from it. Number 1. Gajju is a huge animal. In this sentence, huge is an adjective because it tells more about animal. Number 2. Gajju is a strong animal. In this sentence, strong is an adjective because it tells more about animal. Number 3. Gajju is a heavy animal. In this sentence, heavy is an adjective because it tells more about animal. Now students, we will see what is meant by adjective. Adjectives are words that describe or tell more about nouns. Now, describes means what? Yes, correct. Describes means tells something more about a noun. Understood? Adjective means what? Okay. For example, can you see this girl on your screen? Yes. What can you tell about the girl? Correct. Beautiful girl. Cinderella is a beautiful girl. The word beautiful describes the noun girl. Here, beautiful is an adjective because beautiful tells more about girl. What can you tell about the man? Can you see this man? Yes, correct. Tall man. Sachin is a tall man. Here tall is an adjective because it tells more about man. The word tall describes the noun man. Next example. Can you see this school? Yes. What can you tell about this school? Yes, correct. Big school. This is a big school. Here big is an adjective because it tells more about school. The word big describes the noun school. Can you see this boy? What can you tell about this boy? See the size of this boy. Yes, correct. Fat boy. Raju is a fat boy. Here, fat is an adjective because it tells more about boy. The word fat describes the noun boy. Understood? Okay. Can you see this man? What can you tell about this man? Yes, correct. Old man. Ramu is an old man. Here old is an adjective. The word old describes the noun man. It means old is tells more about man. Can you see this ball on your screen? Yes. Very good. See the shape of this ball. Round ball. Very good. Rahul has a round ball. Here round is an adjective because it tells more about ball. The word round describes the noun ball. Understood? Now we will see some more examples. I like my pink skirt. Here pink is an adjective because it tells more about skirt. The word pink describes the noun skirt. These are many colorful butterflies. Here colorful is an adjective because it tells more about butterflies. The word colorful describes the noun butterflies. In the examples, we saw the words that describe a noun are called adjectives. I will repeat again. In the examples, we saw the words that describe a noun are called adjectives. Now students, let us revise what we have learnt today. What is meant by adjective? Adjectives are words that describe or tell more about nouns. Describe means tells something more about a noun. Let us first do one activity and revise our today's topic. Students, what can you see in this picture? Which picture is it? Yes, it is a picture of rainy day. Yes or no? Yes. Now I will explain you. Okay? I can see the girl holds a pink umbrella. So here pink is an adjective because pink tells us more about umbrella. So next, what can you say about boys? The happy boys are playing in the rain. Here happy is an adjective because happy tells us more about boys. I can see green frog and they are small. The rain makes the happy frogs jumps. So here green, small, happy, they are adjective because they tells us more about frogs. Now tell me what other things you can see in this picture. Yes, correct. Their forest has green leaves. Here, green is an adjective because it tells more about leaves. Yes or no? Yes. And the trees have brown trunk. So, brown is an adjective because brown tells us more about trunk. And I can see tall trees also. So, here tall is an adjective because tall tells us more about trees. Understood? Yes, I hope you all understood. Point to remember. Adjectives are words that describes a noun. Again I will repeat. Adjectives are words that describes a noun. Students, you have to remember this point. Come on students, it's time for your homework. Question number 1. Underline the adjective in the given sentences. For example, number 1. Neeta has a pretty doll. In this sentence, pretty is an adjective because it tells more about doll. So, that's why we have to underline pretty. Understood? Question number 2. Filling the blanks with the help of the words given below. Students, you have to write this homework in your English notebook. I hope you all understood this lesson very well. Thank you.